Power of positive thinking. One thing that can change our life is our thoughts. If you see any popular person, you will come to know they reached there because they thought differently. They crossed all the obstacles in their life with positive approach. Continuously, repeatedly, and approaching positively, if we try to achieve any goals, we get the result from for sure. Universe gives us the desired things. For that, we only have to change our thought process. We need to change the programming of our thoughts. No matter what happens, what problem comes, how difficult the situation is, if we train our mind to overcome the difficulties and any situation in positive way, we get through it and achieve all good. Let me give you an example of pot. One day there was a mud and a pot. Mud said, "You are also a mud pot, but when water wave comes, I got drawn with it. But you stay there. I can't hold water in me, but you can also hold water and keep it cool too." Why is that so? We both are from same family. Then why this big difference? Pot smile and say, "Because I struggle. I struggle without complaining. My owner kept me in water for few days, then squashed me with his legs. I suffered. I felt pain, but I kept quiet. After that, he put me in potter machine, tapped me several times, and gave me a shape. He put me in hot machine. I felt terrific hit, but I know he is doing this so that this give me a good shape. I get a good shape. I became more stronger, and this was happened. Today I am in good shape than you. I am stronger than you, and hence I can hold water in me. This is the way I didn't felt that. I felt all the things, but I always stayed calm because I know if my owner is doing it, he will do it for good. He will do something very good with it. Just like that. We are also alone. If you are also in your bad days, don't give up. You are also struggling. Don't worry. Be patient. Your owner is Almighty. He is doing it for your good. You will come out of it. Keep faith in Almighty. This will give you a shape, more stronger. But if you think like, why me? You will create difficulty for yourself. Instead of that, think it's okay if today is not my day. But one day will come when it was my day. And that day you will understand the power of your thoughts. Prepare your mind for all the situations. Whatever happens, I am ready for it. I will come out of it. I will face all the obstacles. I will get through it. I will win. I will win the game of the life. No negative thoughts can make you weak. Throw out all the negative energies, all the negative thoughts from your mind. Fill the mind, body, and soul with all the positive and pure vibes. Fill the positive energy which is protecting you. Always remember, there are two horses in our mind. positive and negative. Whichever horse gets food will run faster and win the race. It's up to you which horse you feed. If you feed positive one, positive will win the race. What is the food for that horse? It's our thought. So, feed the positive horse with your positive thoughts. To create positive vibes, always see opportunities. Be with positive people. Be positive person. Be patient. Never get away with thoughts. Stick to your positive thoughts. Work on yourself. There is nothing wrong in it. No one is perfect on earth. You are also not perfect. Accept it. Work on your mind. This will, in a way, make you nearly perfect. Attract good vibes. Accept your failures. Never forget, failure is the first step of success. Always think about what you want. Never think about what happened in past. Concentrate on your desire. You will get what you want.